Right here underneath the SkyTrain guideway, this is where the BC Electric Central Park line used to run. This overpass viaduct, this is original. It's one of the only remaining structures from the Central Park line inside Burnaby. Back at the road you can see how there's kind of a weird gap in the pavement where the train used to run. And this is up on an embankment. This continues between those two pillars out to Joyce. The last time a train ran over this bridge, to my knowledge, at least from looking at the Burnaby historical map, the track here was available until 1985, a year before SkyTrain, at which point there was a buffer stop that was added right about Metrotown station. So after 1985, trains only ran to the east of Metrotown. Last time a train that was this far west was, well, 1985. Presumably, anyway. The tracks did remain for quite a long time, though. I'm not sure exactly when they removed them, sometime in the 90s, as far as I can tell. Interesting, they filled in under the bridge. The structure of the bridge was just filled in underneath, and I guess they made a new concrete underpass. Interesting. You'll go along like BC Parkway and wonder why the pillars on the SkyTrain split. It's because that's where the freight track used to run under. Not technically BC Electric, but what became of the BC Electric, the BC Hydro line, which, for what it's worth, was double tracked out west. How the guideway makes that weird zigzag here. You can notice it. Yeah, there's a bit of a zigzag. This is where the guideway switched sides of the freight track below it. And I'm up on this embankment where the track used to be. Just depressing. What a waste. I don't know what they drilled all those holes for. I think those are there for. Here behind this SkyTrain guideway, you can sort of vaguely tell where the freight tracks used to run. And it would go up here to the bridge that crosses Boundary Road. Looks like old anchor bolts from the train tracks. Further back here, this embankment's where the freight and BC Electric track ran. I'm actually not sure when they tore out the bridge across Boundary Road. I should try to find out. The guideway is level until here, but now you see it starts an incline. So the BC Electric thing, the embankment, that's level the whole way until Joyce. Seems like it anyway. Carousel. great. Not another Excelsior, come on. 3 LFRs in a row, not bad. Of course, 8120 is smoking.
Please hold on while the bus is in motion.
Probably not going anywhere much.
Boy, they sure tow those fast, don't they?
Oh, that's an Avro RJ. Those are pretty rare these days. It's one of only a few left in Canada. Yeah. I don't actually know what train it is, but if it's a Charger, I'll be pissed. Those headlights look suspiciously LED. Okay, I just took a picture and zoomed in on it. It's a fucking speeder or high rail or something. See it. So hot today. Glad I brought sunscreen. I give myself heat stroke like this. Holy moly. A 6 diesel?
I hope it's 10:30. Yeah, I'm only using fireworks on New Year's. Oh, they're not really loud, thank goodness. There you go.
There you go. I mean, it's explosions. What do you expect?
Yeah. Surely they'd make sure these are within safe hearing levels, right?
Oh, no.
It's okay, I don't need my hearing.
You're almost freezing.
Traffic anarchy.
We're crossing.
bus just honked and waved. That was great. Fresh pavement is for. Traffic. Bad idea.
Surveillance. I kinda.
Always watching.
She's nuts.
There's a lot of drone activity, mostly surveillance.
Thank you very much to our title sponsor, Honda.
No, I see them launching. They just launched off that ship.
I'm not supposed to. It's a drone ship.
ridiculous. You can't put Freddie Mercury in a box.
Dance love, this world is gonna put you down. Give up, you've got a reason to
I've said to people before that I'm going to do my very best. And maybe I'm not going to give up, and that's true. But I might not make
That's a lot of aircraft. There's a drone there, I doubt it's authorized. Give them a minute. There we go.
c'est pensé pour moi. Tout le monde, tu pourrais y arriver, t'as l'air malin, en forme, en santé. Ah ouais, ça, j'en ai ça. Laisse pas cette monde, c'est pas une vie pour toi. Pis toi, les enfants, les autres, va jouer dehors, va jouer dehors.
We're about to wake up in my natives of the reason. Get up, I wanna see you get up. I wanna see you show the world how you never give up. Cause me, I never give up. I'm going gorilla. For me, I keep a native. You give me that away. Get up, I wanna see you get up.
That's not a star. That's an interesting light pattern. And a lot of smoke. There go all the boats. Dear God, that's a lot of boats. Smoke stinks. It smells like sand and dust. I just found my friend from high school.
The label is Lava Cascade, same with like
Get out of here and you're stopping all of them. Everyone here that's go
That's nuts. Drone spotted. What are all these people cheering at? That's so many people. Holy shit. Holy shit. There's an Excelsior on the 246.
I saw, yeah. What?
There's an Arctic on the 246.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. That happened like
81.25. They should make an LFRV, long fucking road vehicle. I thought that was the mold bus. I freaked out for a second. Oh, whoa, there's an influx of buses. Where'd they all come from? Another one. They should make all midnight transit like this. There's so many of them. Damn. $240 ways to ride the bus. Oh, another one. They're so badly bunched. Yep. I swear, if I see the mold bus today...
I mean, we're off by 2.
I know. That's what made me think of it.
Oh, I saw it earlier, actually.
8119 hasn't been out for a while. They only fixed it up recently, I think. I think that has a flat tire. Fireworks bus.
Nowhere near either.
That's the line.
Oh my.
Oh.
The elevator's over there.
Okay, this is wild. They're in the bushes. That curb is quite tall. It's from the old bridge.
That means there's more sun.
It's even got its own light now. That's nice. Now what's pretty cool is they have a protected bicycle intersection here. And I guess that leads to Granville and up on the bridge. That's interesting. There's a single trolley feeder, so either positive or negative, not sure which. And that comes off here. Yeah. And connects underneath the bridge span. The connection to the university still isn't open. It's nice that they made a reasonable effort to make the expansion joints decently safe. Modal filters on a bridge is beautiful, honestly. And the somewhat haphazard wheelchair ramp. You can see this is where the awkward step in the bridge used to be.
Yeah.
It's not a bad intersection. Pretty alright. It's neat to see the custom K barriers they cast in place. Jersey barriers, whatever you want to call them. Interesting, and there's a path on top of that building. Okay, these are the really bad expansion joints. You see how they've got like those interlocking teeth? Bike tires could get stuck in that, so it's good to see they've covered it mostly.
Yeah.
Except the edge. Hope you don't drop your keys or something down there. Not great how they have the bike lane just like abruptly squish for this bench. Also, this is
Looks like a bit of fudge.
yeah, no shade, no
I guess windy.
the view is nice, but you're kind of just surrounded by traffic and It's got a wheelchair ramp though, so that's good, I guess. And a gutter underneath it. The temporary barriers are kind of Really hoping when they built this that they would make the walking area level with the sidewalk so there's not an awkward divide like the curb.
Yeah.
It's kind of silly. To be fair, that probably would weigh a bunch. I guess they could make it out of like steel decking though, that wouldn't have to weigh too much.
Yeah.
It's so hot today. When they were building this crossover here, the previous crosswalk was dangerous, like really bad. They had a blind spot from tarps and construction fences that cars would speed past at highway speed and you wouldn't be able to see them until the last second. Oh yeah, you are. They have different buttons for the bike crossing and for the pedestrian crossing. It's nice that they added barriers even on the sidewalk because it was really sketchy and scary standing there previously. It's the Go Transit bus, one of them. Out behind the guideway. Broadway layover bike bay is kind of nice. Bike bay? Layover bay, bike lane. That's what I meant to say.